digging through my pile of screws and I noticed I have a bunch of cap screws. So I have a feeling I think I have enough for, I don't know if you can see this a little bit closer, but yeah, turn this way. I think I have enough screws to, I got one for here and one for over here and two for the other side. I'm guessing there should be just enough meat on the bone here to, there's not a lot of space in here. It's pretty close to the edge, top, but it looks like I can, there should be enough just to thread it, just to hold it in there. And on the other side it should work also. So last time I went and bought cap screws, one of the things I do is I anticipate I'll probably use these again because I have a small project in mind where I bought a bunch of these of random sizes. I don't remember which one these are. What? I don't know, GDF 1.29. I don't know what the hell that means, but 1.2. I don't know what the hell. You'd figure they'd be numbered, but I don't know. They don't put numbers on these damn things. But I know they're all the same thread. I don't know if they're metric or not, but they are. Yeah. I bought a bunch of them. I have even bigger ones too. But I have a lot of aluminum, and I have a little project I want to make. But these are the from my screw collection. Every time I go to a hardware store, one of my main, I guess you could say, is a shop hack and a suggestion, is that if you're picking up screws, you're not sure what to get. Always get a few extra sizes. You never know like what you're going to use it for, why you're going to need it. So when I went and got these, I just got about 4 or 5 each. They weren't super expensive. They weren't like gonna break the bank. It's not like it's gonna be end of the world if I bought a few extra. But if I need 4, I'll get 8 of them because 1, I'm always stripping things. 2, I'm always like, hey, let's do this instead, and you change your mind, and there's always something that happens. In this case, like I said, I'm going to drill these out, and I'll probably put a little stubby one in here, which also the jaws, I have a ton of aluminum laying around here, so I might make it out of extruded, I don't know, what is it, 60, 61. I'm going up the road to go visit a guy possibly tomorrow. Go pick up an 84-inch piece of aluminum. That's 1.25 inches thick. I mean, hey, where can you go wrong, right? Piece of aluminum for cheap. Anyway, hope you enjoy this. Thanks.